There are a lot of questions that many people do ask about fibroid, and actually I have compiled 10 of these top searches about fibroid, which I will be providing answers to each of these questions. So these are the questions that many people do ask about fibroid. Number one, can fibroid turn into cancer? Two, can fibroid go away on their own? Three, what size of fibroid is dangerous? Four, can fibroid cause infertility? Five, do fibroids cause weight gain? Six, can fibroid cause frequent urination? Seven, how are fibroid diagnosed? Eight, what are the symptoms of fibroid? Nine, what are uterine fibroid? If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let me answer these questions about fibroid. So the first one is, can fibroids turn into cancer? No, fibroids cannot turn into cancer because fibroid is a benign tumor which is non-cancerous. The second question is, can fibroids go away on their own? Actually, fibroids shrink after menopause because of the low surge of estrogen, but they don't disappear completely from your womb. So the third question is, what size of fibroid is dangerous? There is no specific size that is considered as dangerous. However, if we track or monitor the fibroid and it is growing in a fast rate, or it is causing some bizarre signs and symptoms which is making the woman unable to bear the fibroid, then we can decide on a particular treatment modality for the fibroid. The fourth one is, can fibroids cause infertility? That is true. Fibroids can cause infertility. But one thing you need to know is that you can get pregnant even though you have a fibroid. It is not everybody that fibroid can in return cause infertility. There are some women that they have fibroid, however, they are able to get pregnant and give birth to their children without any difficulty. Nevertheless, fibroid can cause infertility. The fifth question is, do fibroids cause weight gain? Yes, fibroids can cause weight gain. This is because when fibroids start growing, they intend to increase in size, and once there is an increase in size of a mass inside your belly, it will contribute to your weight, so it can cause weight gain. The next question is, can fibroids cause frequent urination? Yes, indirectly, fibroids can cause frequent urination. They can cause pressure on your bladder, and that can cause frequent urination. So actually, fibroids can cause frequent urination. The next question is, how are fibroids diagnosed? So with this one, actually, we take a scan, ultrasound, in order to visualize your womb, in order to know whether there is a growth of mass inside your womb or not. Next question is, what are the symptoms of fibroids? Okay, with the symptoms of fibroid, when you begin experiencing heavy menstruation or heavy bleeding, intense pain, sometimes you feeling a moving mass in your lower abdomen, also constipation if they intend to cause pressure on your rectum. It can also cause frequent urination. There are also some other women that will not show obvious signs and symptoms. Meanwhile, they might be having the fibroid. These people are the asymptomatic people. So it's not only you having signs and symptoms. Sometimes you might not show any signs and symptoms, but you might be having the fibroid. So the best thing to do is to go to the hospital for the ultrasound to be taken in order to know whether you have the fibroid or not. So then the next question is, what are uterine fibroid? Actually, with this particular kind of question, I made a video explaining everything you need to know about fibroid. It's 11-minute video. You can take time and watch that video on my YouTube channel. So with the 10th question, I will be answering the question that you asked in the comment section. So I will get time and then explain everything you need to know, probably in another video, or I will answer them in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. This is what I do on this channel. I provide health education and advice to people on my YouTube channel in a very simple and understandable way. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.